Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for dropping by. Great to have you here. Today we're just doing a quick unboxing on a CASIO Edifice watch that I picked up recently. So I got this from H. Samuel in the UK. It's a jeweller's. They were clearing this line. I think it was down from like £200 to 109. But then if you use some of the discount codes that you get a 10% if you sign up to their newsletter, and they were doing a 20% off. I picked this up for about £85. And the model number is EFS-S560 DB 1AVUEF. Wow, yeah, I'll be asking questions about that code number at the end of the video. That's mental. That's the longest one I think I've come across so far. But this is the watch. Let's get on to the watch. You're not here to listen to me. Now, I had a CASIO Edifice just before I started the channel. If I've got a picture of it, I'll drop it up on screen. And I ended up sending it back because I was really disappointed with it when it arrived. So I've not really looked for CASIO Edifice watches previously or recently, I suppose, since then. But I saw this one and I thought it looked really good. And there's a couple of reasons why I went for this. You might be able to see it on the dial. One is it's sapphire, so sapphire crystal, and two, it's solar powered. Now, you know me, I like a good solar powered watch, so that definitely drew my attention in. Well, that's really nice. That is the dial and the bezel have got this nice finish to them. It's a bit bright in here. I don't know if the camera will pick that up very well, but I'll worry about that on the review more, to be quite honest. Nice bracelet. There we go. Solar technology and sapphire crystal. I'll put a link to this obviously in the description. Let me just get some of this off and out of the way. But yeah. So my first impressions of that is actually it looks nicer in real life than it did on the picture. The high, medium, low is for the battery state now. Oh, it's got a little gizmo in that stopped it working. Right, okay, so I push that in. There we go. Oh, now it's dropped down to medium. As soon as I've done that, so you saw the battery there is obviously needs a little bit of a charge, so I'm going to wear that today. I haven't got a watch on this morning, which is unlike me. But that's because I knew I was shooting this video. So let me just quickly try it. And there we go. Oh, it's a bit loose. I might have to take a link out. Wow, I can't remember last time I had to take a link out of a watch, to be quite honest, because I've got an 8-inch wrist. Has it got micro adjust on here? I don't think it has it? Oh, yeah, it has. Oh, I might be able to do it with micro adjust then. Okay, so I will do that, and I will get the review up to this as soon as I can. Now, I've done several watches recently. I'll put a link up to one of the other solar powered watches that I've done by Citizen. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everybody who's liked and subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.